gjort det samme.
Det er skønt, man. Skarp for den, mener.
Jeg skal spille nogle af mine egne sange. Det her det er den første julesang, som jeg skrev for et år, 2 år, 1,5 år, noget tid siden. Fordi min sanglærer sagde, skriv lige en julesang, og så sagde jeg, nå. Så den er ikke sindssygt positiv, men den har ikke noget navn heller, så.
Nynnes julesang.
Det er sådan, det er.
Nynnes julesang.
We've waited since Mariah stopped her singing, and the sleigh bells stopped their ringing, and Santa stopped his springing, but we all just keep on clinging onto mistletoes and stockings, and to hopeless Christmas shopping, and to cheesy cards unboxing, to Santa's children's stockings. We won't let go of it just yet, 'cause it's like Christmas never ends. We all pretend we're happy for a couple of days, and we don't even question Santa's pedophilic ways. We give